Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be travelling to the Maldives from the United Kingdom. Significance of the Maldives trip on July 25th and 26th cannot be ignored since it marks a major turnaround. How so? Well, Prime Minister Modi will be the first head of government to be hosted by President Mohamed Muizzu, and that too as the guest of honour at the 60th Maldivian Independence Day celebrations. Modi will hold extensive talks with President Mohamed Muizzu and inaugurate several India-assisted development projects in the island nation. The Prime Minister's visit to the Maldives is seen as important as it marks a significant reset of bilateral ties that had come under severe strain under Muizzu, known for his pro-China leanings as he became president in November 23. Now, as we speak of this very visit, viewers, let's also take a look that after his UK visit, the Prime Minister is next scheduled to visit the island archipelago of Maldives, and it's another significant visit that highlights how India's diplomacy and realpolitik has managed to turn around what was still recently a very frosty bilateral relationship. How is this meet going to change that, or rather reset that? Well, that is what we await. Here's a report on the same. Let's take a look.
It all started with just one picture, followed by a call to action echoed by a 1.4 billion people. And an entire country's economy took a hit, bringing it to its knees. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Lakshadweep photos did not just trend, it triggered a tourism earthquake in Maldives. On January 4th, 2024, Prime Minister Modi posted serene pictures from Lakshadweep with an open invite to all adventure lovers. Add Lakshadweep to your list. The unsaid message was clear. Travel local, a direct attack on Maldives tourism. The post worked like magic, from topping the charts of Maldives tourists in 2022 as well as in 2023. India skid to the 6th place in 2025 behind China, Russia, UK, Italy and Germany. It all stemmed from January 2024 when ministers from Maldives openly posted objectionable comments against Prime Minister Modi, triggering a diplomatic chill. But India did not retaliate. Instead, it acted with tact, given that the world knows who was backing Maldives. The current president of Maldives,